In this video, we are going to learn how to solve problems involving physics under fundamental quantities. Alright, so we're going to practice with 6 repeated questions for this topic in physics, fundamental quantities. So let's get started with the first one I have here. It says, which of the following is not a fundamental SI unit? So we have option A, second, option B, meter, option C, ampere, option D, steradian. So guys, the correct option to this question is option D, steradian. Steradian is not a fundamental unit of quantity. So let's go to the next question. So it says the internationally agreed system of units SI for physical measurements are option A, we have IB feet second, option B, we have gram meter second, option C, we have centimeter gram second, option D, we have kilogram meter and second. So guys, the correct option to this question is option D, kilogram meter and second are internationally agreed system of units for physical measurements. Okay, so let's go to the next repeated question. So the next one is this. It says, which of the following is not fundamental? So basically, which of the following is not a fundamental unit of quantity? So we have option A to be mole, option D steradian, option C candela, option D Kelvin. So the correct option to this question is option B, steradian. Steradian is not a fundamental quantity. Mole is a fundamental unit. Alright, mole is the unit of amount of a substance, whereas candela is the unit of luminous intensity. Kelvin is the unit of temperature in physics. So temperature, luminous intensity, amount of a substance, these are fundamental quantities. Alright, and they have their respective units to be mole, candela and Kelvin. So that's it for this question. Let's go to the next one. It says, which of the following is not a fundamental unit? Alright, we have meter, we have Newton meter, we have kilogram, we have second. So the correct option to this question is option B, Newton meter is not a fundamental unit. Newton meter is a derived unit. Alright, so that's it for this question. Meter, kilogram and second, they are all fundamental units. So let's go to the next one. It says, which of the following is not a derived unit? Okay, they are talking about derived now. So we have A, joule, B, second, C, watts, D, Newton. Alright, now for this particular question, the correct option to this question is option B. Alright, is the exceptional here. Joule is a derived unit. Alright, joule is the unit of work. Joule is the unit of work. Watt is the unit of power. Newton is the unit of force. Alright, so these are derived units. Second is the unit of time. Time is a fundamental quantity and each unit is second. Alright, whereas others apart from second, this option, they are derived units. Joule can also be the unit of energy. Alright, so the correct option on this question is option B, which is second. Second is a fundamental unit and not a derived unit. The last question is this. It says, which of the following is not fundamental? So we have Kelvin, we have steradian, we have mole, we have candela. So the correct option is B. I think we have answered this question before. The correct option is what? B. Steradian is not a fundamental unit. So that's it for this video under fundamental quantities and units. So these are 6 repeated questions for the topic in your physics. Hope you learned something interesting from this video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to our channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel for more of our videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Let me know how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions asked regarding what I talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below and I'll be sure to give you a response. Alright, now click on the screen above when I see you in next video. Thanks for watching.